secure cloud resources. Those are like the basic authentication things. You don't need to implement cost. There is no cost associated. Like typically, it's part of the basic authentication and authorization mechanisms, the previous ones. Now, securing the cloud resources, it's important to do limit administrative access. That's important because the hacker doesn't want to get in using an admin account, right? Like those are the most vulnerable accounts. Use a temporary access model. That means put in, if you have a service now or any service model, let him request and approve access and for an hour, 2 hours or so. It's pretty easy to do if you have any process model. If not, you can do it with your SharePoint as well. But do that with a temporary access. Script audits, enforce using a script to make changes. And that can be audited, which makes life easy and increases your auditability. The same thing, like, the process, temporary access model, script access, for those to implement, you need to have a process system. So you can use some Office 365 basic flow or something like Power Automate kind of tools. There are sophisticated tools like ServiceNow you can use. Now, Azure Sentinel provides those kind of things as well. Azure DevOps also provides similar tooling. These are not expensive. It is just you need to have a plan to use them. Network security, make it contextual. That means in a network security rules, don't hard block things. Layered security doesn't help in most instances, but rather do a contextual security. That means based on what application is requesting access and the geographic location or a combination of factors, allow or deny access. That's an easy way, and it's more secure. Use tools like Azure Sentinel, as I mentioned, and then the compliance tooling. Data discovery, this is specific, like, Azure provides significant tooling to give you, data discovery, like, there is a single button click saying, like, say, this database need to be HIPAA compliant. Then there is a significant artificial intelligence engines in the background. It goes and looks your data and say, like, hey, it will actually come back with recommendations, like, classification recommendations, classify them so that it applies the monitoring rules and you will get alerted if there is a breach before even like the data gets exposed. Those are powerful tools you can work with.
For more information, click on the link below or visit databrackets.com.